How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk more about quadratic equations, and today I'm going to do it with a formula. My formula today is called the quadratic formula, and it works for any quadratic equation, meaning any second degree polynomial equation. And what we'll do is we'll go through the steps of it. So here we go. The quadratic formula. For any polynomial equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So it's got to be written in that form. You can use these numbers, the a, the b, and the c, put them into this formula here. So it's kind of a complicated looking formula. But x is going to be equal to negative b plus or minus. Remember, there's always two answers. The square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a. So we can use that formula on this example right here. So I've got 3x squared equals 2x plus 7. Now right away you can see that this equation is not written in this form. In order for us to fix that, we're going to need to move the 2x and the 7 to the left side of the equation. We'll do that by subtracting. So I'm going to go minus 2x on both sides and minus 7 on both sides. When I do that, put everything together. They're not like terms, so I just have 3x squared minus 2x minus 7 all equal to 0. Now when I have all this over here in this order, equal to 0, I've got it written in this form. And so now I know what my a, my b, and my c is. A has to be 3, b has to be negative 2, and c has to be negative 7. So I'll write those down. 3, negative 2, negative 7. Once I know a, b, and c, I can put them in this formula. So I've rewritten the formula down here, and I'm going to fill in the blanks. It goes negative b first. B was negative 2. So I'll put a negative 2 here. And then b squared is here. So negative 2 squared. Then minus 4, it's always a 4, times a and times c. A is 3, c is negative 7. So 3, negative 7. And then I'm dividing all of that by 2 times a. So 2 times 3. So all I need to do now is simplify this and make sure I'm keeping track that there's two different answers. One where I do plus and one where I do minus. Now, a negative of a negative is a positive. So when I rewrite this, I'm going to do x is equal to positive 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared, that's positive 4. And then if I do negative 4 times 3 times negative 7, all of that comes out to be, well, 4 times 3 is 12, 7 times 12 is 84, and it's a negative and another negative, so the whole thing is positive 84. All divided by 6. Simplify it even more. The square root of 4 plus 84, well, that's 88. So I've got 2 plus or minus the square root of 88 all divided by 6. So we'll figure that out on a calculator. Second square root 88, and I get 9.4 about. So this comes out to be 2 plus 9.4 or 2 minus 9.4, all divided by 6. So two answers. My first answer is x equals 2 plus 9.4 divided by 6. 2 plus 9.4 is 11.4. 11.4 divided by 6. is 1.9. And then my other answer is 2 minus 9.4 divided by 6. 2 minus 9.4 is negative 7.4. Divide that by 6, I get negative 1.23, or just negative 1.2. So let's put approximately equal to that. Squiggly lines. And those are my two answers, 1.9 or 1.23. So if you have any questions, let me know. You're going to try using that formula today, and we'll see some more examples later too. Have a good day.